The famous saying, "Let food be your medicine," attributed to Hippocrates, underscores the profound impact that diet has on health and well-being. Nutrition plays a crucial role in preventing and managing illnesses. In a world where lifestyle-related diseases are on the rise, this wisdom is more relevant than ever. Eating a balanced, nutrient-rich diet can significantly influence overall health. Foods high in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants help strengthen the immune system. These benefits enable the body to combat potential health threats effectively. Conversely, diets high in processed foods and sugars are linked to chronic conditions. Preventive healthcare emphasizes the role of nutrition in maintaining health. Diets rich in omega-3 fatty acids can help lower the risk of heart disease. Fiber-rich foods improve digestion and regulate blood sugar levels. Including a variety of colorful vegetables and fruits supports vital processes like detoxification. Making informed choices about what we consume can be a powerful form of self-care. Viewing food as a primary means of sustaining health can reduce reliance on medicines. It shifts the focus from treating diseases to fostering long-term well-being with wholesome foods. Prioritizing nutrition as a preventive measure allows us to harness the healing power of nature. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more health tips and natural remedies. And click on any of the videos displayed above to learn more. They are loaded with information that can transform your health and well-being. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.